Hey, and welcome to English Coffee House. I'm Daria.
And I'm Chris. We're really happy you're here with us.
Get comfortable.
And let's start with today's conversation.
Chris, can I ask you something?
Of course.
What is your favorite meal of the day?
That's a good question. I think dinner.
Really? Why?
Because I'm not hungry in the morning. I wake up and I just want coffee.
Just coffee and nothing else?
Maybe some water, but that's it.
I can't do that. I need breakfast. What do you eat?
Usually eggs, sometimes toast with butter. Simple things.
That sounds nice, actually.
It is. I eat slowly. I look out the window. It's a good time of day. I like the morning too, just not the food part.
That's funny. So dinner is your big moment.
Yes, I sit down, I relax, the day is finished, and then I eat something real.
What do you mean, something real?
Warm food, a full plate, not just coffee.
Okay, I understand that. There's something nice about dinner, too. Everyone is home. It's quiet.
Yes, it feels different from the rest of the day.
It does, like a small pause.
Exactly, a small pause.
Do you eat alone? At dinner, I mean?
Sometimes yes, sometimes no. It depends on the day.
Is it different, eating alone or with someone?
Very different. When I eat alone, it's quiet. I don't think about anything.
I like that sometimes.
Me too, but when someone is there, the food is the same, but it feels better.
Yes, I know what you mean. The conversation makes it different.
Even if the conversation is nothing special, just small things.
How was your day? I'm tired. Me too.
Yes, exactly that.
My mom always cooked dinner every evening the same time.
Really?
6 o'clock. We all sat together, no phones, no TV.
That sounds very different from today.
It was, but I remember it well. It felt safe.
I think food does that. It connects people to a place or a time.
A smell, too. Sometimes I smell something cooking and I'm back in my mom's kitchen.
Food and memory, they stay together.
They do.
Do you still cook like her?
I try, but it never tastes exactly the same.
Why do you think that is?
I don't know. Maybe the recipe is the same, but something is missing.
Maybe it's not about the recipe.
What do you mean?
Maybe it's the person, the hands that make it.
That's a nice thought. I think you're right.
My grandmother made one dish, very simple, rice and vegetables, nothing special.
But
I never had it anywhere else like that. I tried many times.
And?
Not the same. Never the same.
No, it never is.
I don't think it can be.
Maybe that's okay, though. Some things are only for one time, one place.
One person.
Yes.
It makes it more, I don't know the word, more valuable, maybe?
I think that's exactly the word. It's strange, isn't it? We don't think about food that way usually.
No, we just eat.
And then one day you miss something and you don't know why.
Yes, it comes suddenly.
Out of nowhere.
I think it's not really about the food.
No.
Because it's about the moment around it, the table, the people, the feeling.
The food is just in the middle of it all.
Like a detail you remember later.
A very important detail.
Yes, very important.
Do you have a favorite place to eat now? Not a restaurant, just a place.
At home, my own table with good light and no rush.
That's it?
That's everything.
I like that answer. Simple.
The best things usually are.
Breakfast or dinner, it doesn't really matter, does it?
Not really. What matters is how you feel when you sit down.
And who's across the table?
Yes, or just the quiet if you're alone.
Both are good.
Both are good.
Can I tell you something funny?
Please.
Sometimes I make breakfast for a dinner.
Really?
Eggs, toast, a cup of tea at 7 in the evening.
Why?
I don't know. Some days I just want something easy, something warm and small.
I understand that completely.
You do?
Some evenings are not big dinner evenings. They are just quiet evenings.
Exactly. And eggs are always fine.
Eggs are always fine. That's a good rule.
My one rule in the kitchen.
Do you like cooking?
Sometimes when I have time, when I'm not tired.
And when you are tired?
Eggs.
Of course.
What about you?
I cook simple things, nothing complicated, but I enjoy it.
Why?
It's slow. You think about one thing only. Cut this, add that, wait a little.
Like a rest for your head.
Yes, exactly that. No screens, no noise, just the pan and the smell.
Maybe that's why food feels important. Not just eating it, making it too.
The whole thing together.
From beginning to end.
You know what I noticed?
What?
We started talking about breakfast and dinner.
And now we're somewhere else completely.
Yes, how did that happen?
That's just how it goes. You start with something small and it opens up.
Food opened up a lot today.
It always does, I think. It's never really just about the food.
No, it's about time and people and the small moments you keep.
The ones you don't even plan to keep, they just stay.
A plate of rice, a breakfast at the window, eggs at 7 in the evening.
Yes, all of it.
I like that we talked about this.
Me too. It made me want to cook something tonight.
Breakfast or dinner?
We'll see.
We'll see.
It's the small things, isn't it, in the end?
Always the small things.
Thanks for spending this time with us.
We really enjoyed having you here and sharing this conversation.
Keep listening
And we'll see you soon.
here at English Coffee House.